super loud in here right now, so I'm not quite sure you can hear me. Also, I'm literally purple. But we finally finished the stand. It took us quite a long time to figure out what we want to do. But I'm gonna give you a little bit of an overview before tomorrow's craziness is starting. So let me do that right now.
Christmas!
You want to step to the side so I can see the
Step to the side, to the seat, to the side, to the seat.
So yeah, that's what we have this time. I also added the t-shirts. I'm hoping because they're next to the stickers, people will recognize that it is basically the stickers just as t-shirts. But yeah, can't wait for tomorrow. Slightly nervous, but we're gonna do this. Good morning. Of course I forgot to do a check-in right in the morning, but here we are. We are half an hour into the market. This is what's going on right now. It's slowly getting busier, so I will check in with you later. Okay, so I thought about doing an update like 3 hours ago, and then somebody bought something and I forgot about you guys again. It was quite busy today. We sold a lot. We sold a lot of keychains, which is amazing because we love selling keychains. Yeah, very, very good first day. I'm like waiting for the bus right now, the tram right now, and it's super cold and I just want to go to bed. But yeah, I'm hoping tomorrow is gonna be as good as today or even better, fingers crossed. But yeah, I see you tomorrow. I'm trying to do more check-ins tomorrow because I totally forgot today. But that's it. My brain is not very functioning anymore, so I'm very sorry if this update isn't really a good update, but yeah, I see you tomorrow. Good morning. It is market day number 2. We are ready and set up. We didn't turn on the lights yet because we still have 15 minutes to go. Apparently we've been early. Yeah, we just restocked a little bit and cleaned everything up. And basically we're just waiting for the doors to open, so yeah. There we go. Day number 2, wish us luck. I see you later. Okay, so my battery apparently is gonna probably die in a little bit, but I wanted to give you a little update. It is now 4:20. It has been very, very busy today, so I didn't really think of vlogging much. We apparently had a little bit of a malfunction with our battery, so one of our lights doesn't work anymore. My partner is charging it right now, so let's hope it's gonna work later. But yeah, we have about an hour and 40 minutes left. Let's see how it's gonna continue, but so far it was very good. Hello, I thought while I'm going over my inventory after the market, I could do a little recap for you. So, let's do a little bit of inventory and see what we need to produce until next week. Which basically is this week because my market starts on Friday, so... But let's start with the keychains because I think that's gonna be the easiest. So, recap time. I am very tired, as you probably can tell by my face. It's been a long weekend, but it was so beautiful and my heart is so full. Honestly, I don't even know what to say. But you guys are just amazing. This was such a good market. It was the best market we ever had. We sold the most keychains ever. We sold in general the most things ever. And I don't know, there's so many emotions and I'm literally getting goosebumps just thinking about it. But yeah, I sold out again of my raincoat frogs and I have one magic frog left, so I think we gotta definitely remake those. I do have my last market on the weekend now from Friday to Sunday. It's with the people I'm part of a studio. It's with the people of my art studio, so it's like a little family get-together kind of. Even though I haven't been part of the studio very long, I definitely feel like very appreciated there, so yeah, there you go. That's what's gonna happen. I think besides the frogs, every other thing I still have enough of, so I don't need to reproduce them. I would love to have some earrings. So the bat earrings go very well. The straw buns maybe if I manage, and maybe some cloud cats. I do really only have one day to produce because there's a lot of other things going on. But yeah, that is thankfully everything I do have to restock on keychains and charms and earrings and stuff like that. I have been working all morning to get my website ready for the new update, because if you have not heard or have heard, there's new rules to be able to sell in the EU, and as a business I gotta make sure everything is on my website, so all the safety information and stuff like that needs to be on my website. So basically that's what I did. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And yeah, I've been working on it all morning. I did the whole website part. I just now need to do the stickers for all my products when they go out. But that should be fine. So I will do that probably later today, but I needed a little bit of a break of all the technical things. So yeah, but that is good that it's done because it was very necessary to be done. So now I counted 12, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more. They don't really fit anymore. Okay, do I always just have... I don't know. My brain is not braining right now, really. But yeah. In general, I'm just so happy and grateful for this weekend. I want to cry constantly, but I'm trying to keep myself from crying because... yeah, I don't know. I feel like it's gonna like throw me off so much if I do. So I'm gonna try to keep my shit together and just not cry. But oh my, you guys, I am overwhelmed. Okay, we're very low on overthinking stickers and we are okay on I'm fine stickers. I think besides these ones we should be fine. Okay, let's do some overstimulated ones. Capybara. The rest is fine here. I am not restocking some of my stickers because I'm trying to get rid of some designs, like some of the cat designs. I'm not gonna restock the Christmas edition. I'm trying to get rid of that as well during this market. And I think everything else is good. So yeah, I mean, I've been producing a lot of stickers prior to this, so I don't need to stress about it while in the whole craziness of back-to-back market. So very glad I did that. The only thing I never really have enough stock of, I feel like, is my keychains, because they just take a lot of time to make, and therefore it takes a lot of my actual time, you know what I mean? So not only do I need to sculpt them, I need to glaze them, I need to assemble them. There's just a lot of parts to it that go into the keychains, therefore I never have insane stock of them, but that's okay. So yeah, that is basically the part which is most important. I do have to not really restock on anything else. I think I might need to restock on... My laundry is still up, so ignore that. But I might need to restock on some... Let's get this away. On some mystery bags. I do have enough mystery crackers left. I'm hoping a lot of them will go over this weekend's market, because I'm not quite sure what I will do if they are still here. But I guess they will go on sale afterwards if I'm not able to sell them. So yeah, we have enough of those left. The small ones were definitely easier to sell this time around, and the big ones not so much, because the small ones are easy to stuff into advent calendar, so that's perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have 10 mystery bags left. I might do like 5-ish more, because my mystery bags, they always do very well, and I'd rather have a few more than a few too little, because they just sell so well. And everything else doesn't really need restocking, or I'm not gonna restock them. For example, I sold so many of the Lucky Charms that this full bag is now... Like, this was completely full when we went for the market, and it is now half empty, which I'm so grateful for. It's just, I'm not gonna reproduce them because they are basically a seasonal product, so I'm hoping that they are gonna be gone by the end of the market. It's just so sad in a way, because there is literally like, I don't know, maybe 7 of the charms left and maybe 10 of the magnets left. But hey, that's how it is. That's how it is with the last market of the year. I am not gonna restock them, that just doesn't make sense. But with that, everything else is gonna be as it is right now. I will add the t-shirts to the website. I said maybe January, but maybe I'm gonna do it actually this week. So if this video goes live, you will have already been able to see the shirts on the website, so go check them out if you want one. The Sashimi Boy, the people love Sashimi Boy as a sticker, and they actually also loved it as a t-shirt. Then we have the Unicorn Froggy, and last but not least we have the Devil Heart fluff with the little extra added bow on the sleeve, which I freaking love. So yeah, those three will be available on the website from now on, and will be part of the Fluff Club collection. But the original Fluff Club t-shirt will be gone. So that's the changes. But yeah, with that said, I'm still like mind blown about this weekend. Again, as I said, I'm like close to tears all the time because I'm just so overwhelmed by the love and support. It's just beautiful, and I just can only say thank you for supporting my business, for making me feel like it is realistic for next year to go full-time and to be actually able to make my art my job and be able to live from it. So yeah, thank you so much. Also, thank you so much for joining in on this video. I know it's a short one, and I know I haven't done a lot of check-ins during the market, but literally yesterday it was non-stop until probably 3 p.m. or something, and then I just needed to chill because I was like it was so much. And I also drank a matcha in the morning, and that gave me jitters, so it was even crazier because my whole body was like but yeah, it was beautiful and I'm so grateful. And I'm not gonna stop talking because otherwise I am gonna cry, and I feel like I don't have to. Like, it's, yeah, thank you so much. I hope you have a beautiful day, and we see each other in the next video.